Hey guys, today I'm going to be filming my August empties. I think that's right. It was August last month, yeah. But I just thought that I would do a bit of like a life update. Okay, so I was talking about this on my Patreon the other day, and I went into it in a bit more detail over there, but basically I've been a pretty heavy smoker for the last couple of years. When I went to the Gold Coast earlier this year in January, I switched to vapes, and that was hard because I really was still heavily addicted to the cigarettes, but eventually I quit to vapes and then quit cigarettes, and now I am trying to quit the vapes. So I didn't know that nicotine withdrawal was like a thing. Like, I knew it was, but I kind of just thought like, oh, you know, it's not that bad. But so I have been needing to quit for so long, but you know, it's always been like, oh yeah, like I know I should quit, but like I haven't really wanted to, in a sense, until the last couple of weeks I started getting chest pain. And it was just like shortness of breath, like it was hard, like I feel like all of my breaths were really shallow, and like it just kind of hurt to breathe, like it hurt when I yawned, all that kind of stuff. And I was kind of like, shit, like as a 23-year-old, it's not good to not be able to, like, to hurt when you're breathing kind of thing and be short of breath and stuff. And I think it was the reality, what's the word, like the reality check that I needed. So today is Thursday. I started cutting back Tuesday, I think, and then I had a really weird sleep Tuesday night. Then Wednesday was like my first day where I think I had like 5 puffs of the vape or something like that, like not many, like at least under between like 10 and 20 maybe yesterday, which I know sounds like a lot, but for me that's pretty good. I'm not sure of the exact number, but I know it wasn't many. Last night I had the absolute worst sleep of my life. I woke up literally like every hour and just had the most unsettled, restless sleep that I've ever had. And I got to like 4 a.m. this morning because it was like last night, this morning, you know what I mean? And I decided to search up, and it turns out that insomnia is one of the nicotine withdrawal symptoms, so that was great. So yeah, today I was extremely tired, really struggling to focus. I've been quite irritable, quite angry, which I don't like because I don't like being mean, and I feel like I've been quite mean, but so I'm just hoping these symptoms, these withdrawals, are over soon. It's also good though because it shows me that like I never ever want to have to go through these again. So hopefully I can just get these withdrawals out of the way and then we never have to worry about it again. But that's where I'm at. I am posting on YouTube every day this month, so it's come at a really bad time because I need to be in a good headspace and I'm just not. In saying that though, I have noticed my chest doesn't seem to be hurting at the moment, and I feel like my anxiety has been a little bit better. So I will keep you updated with all those kind of things. But that's why I'm fresh-faced, because I could not be bothered sitting down and putting my makeup on. I went to sleep as soon as I got home and only just woke up, and I just feel very lethargic and out of it and just not very cheery in a sense. So yeah, anyway, that was just my little mini update. Now let's get into the empties. But yeah, I apologise if my energy is off in this video. I am just going through it, but I don't have the option to not film because, you know, I've got to hustle and I've got to get those videos out. So let's go into August empties. I just spilled them on the ground. Okay, August empties. Once again, I don't have a whole lot this month, but that's fine. So first things first, we have the Just Smooth Toning Shampoo. Last month we went through the conditioner and now the shampoo has followed. If you guys have been watching my empties for a while, you know that I love this shampoo, or like this hair care line. I am sorry, I'm very tired. I am looking for something new though, just because I want to kind of change it up. I really kind of want to try something by Milkshake or something like that. I don't know. So if you guys have any recommendations, leave them down below. But yeah, I used up one of those. I've got I think they're 1 litre bottles now. So I've got a 1 litre bottle of shampoo and 1 litre bottle of conditioner. So yeah. I used up the Hideaway whip soap in Pink Candy. I really like Hideaway's whip soaps. That one smells really, really good. They're really nice, just super good for every day in the shower. Really like nice and moisturising and fluffy and soft. And we also used up another one in Fairy Floss. So you can tell that we like them, considering we're using a fair few of them. So yeah, we used up those two. Also from Hideaway, we used up one of their whip scrubs in Pink Candy. It still has water in it. Yeah, I'm not gonna open that. I really like the Pink Candy scent from, or what is it now? Or is it like Pink Candy? Yeah, okay. It used to be Pink Sugar, I think, and now it's Pink Candy. But anyway, I really like that scent from Hideaway. I do like their whip scrubs, but like I said in my last empties video, they're just not abrasive enough. Like, no, they are. Like, they're great for every day, but I just like something with a little bit more grittiness. But they're really nice for every day, and like, even though they're not my preferred texture of scrub. Who's calling me? It's my father. I'll call him back in a second. Even though they're not like my preferred formula of scrub, I still do really like them. A scrub that I absolutely loved this month was the Celebrate one from Lush. So this was their foaming body scrub. This came out at Easter time, and this smells, oh, so good. It smells like lollies or something. What does it say? Get the foam party started with this ground rice for polish, jojoba oil for moisture, and a champagne inspired fragrance. I don't know, it smells like something to me. Oh, I don't know what it is, but it's really good. And if they ever bring this out again, I'm going to jump on that because I absolutely really, really liked this one. We used up a Bath & Body Works Snowy Citrus Swirl Shower Gel. Loved this. It smelled really, really good. Very sad that it's gone. But yeah, I've got a lot of other Bath & Body Works shower gels, so that's fine. And then the last thing that we used up was the Lush Rose Argan Body Conditioner. I did like this. I like the smell of this one. The Lush body conditioners take a little bit longer to sink in, and you guys know how I feel about that, but I do like the feel of them, and I do like the scent of them, so I can probably give it a bit of a pass. But anyway, that was my empties for the month. I know that it wasn't super exciting, and I know that I went on that weird tangent at the start, but anyway, that's just what's going on. That's a little mini update. I will keep you guys updated with how I go with my quitting journey. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.